What's up, fellow traders? Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Yeah, we back here again. This your boy again this morning, David from IFX. This afternoon, sorry. Yeah, sorry. It's evening already. So it's your boy again this evening, David from IFX. Please, people, please, I'll definitely much more appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and click the notification button. As you do that, I really appreciate it. God bless y'all for doing that. Those that have added me, those that are watching me, I really appreciate your effort, everything that you've been doing for me. I really appreciate them. God bless us all. And here we go today to the market. So last night I talked about New Zealand Canadian dollar. So here what I can see here is that Canadian dollar is trying to like get the momentum back, but it's getting tighter and tighter. You get it? Because in like an hour or 2 hours now, this is Eastern time, North America, in an hour or 2 hours time now, you see that New Zealand dollar will open another candle. And as I can see now, just like I said yesterday, I said the market is a downtrading market, but the strength within Canadian dollar and New Zealand dollar, it's at least it's like a 40-60 thing right now. You know, New Zealand 40%, Canadian dollar 60%. This is why Canadian dollar is not really pushing it to the downtrend path as it's supposed to push it, but it's still moving according to what I said yesterday. So it's still moving. Should you watch the market? Let's go back. Should you watch the market? When we check the market from this point to this point, we see that the market is falling. And when you check from this point to some other point, you see that the market is falling. Plus some other candles that really confirm it that the market is going down. Should you look at it very well, you know that the market is a downtrend market. So let us go. Let's analyze this market a bit. And should you look at it from this direction, from this very direction, you know, it's climbing up, it's climbing up, it's climbing up, it's climbing up. So Canadian dollar just want to hit somewhere here and reverse. New Zealand reversing up back. You get it? So here is what I'm seeing here. You know, it's climbing up from the support side, and it's, you know, breaking down from the resistance side, and from the resistance side, it, you know, it's climbing up from the bottom, and it's, you know, falling down at the top. So the bottom have a better chance of winning right now from what I could see. So should you check it? Should you just check the market out? You know, should you just check the market as we speak right now? Should you just check the market? You'll know that this market is really falling down. Not really like that, but it's falling down, and the market is about to change direction. Sorry people, so sorry. Yeah, so and the market is about to change direction a bit before it start beating down again. You understand? Should we check the market from September 2017? No, from May 2017 the market has been falling down. You know, Canadian dollar has been gaining its strength. It's gaining its strength, you know, from May 2017. So should you watch it till this part? New Zealand dollar really pushed the market trying to like gain the momentum, but Canadian dollar was able to gain the stability back. You get it? So as we're looking at it, New Zealand is trying to find its strength. And from what I could see here, I don't really see New Zealand dollar doing much from what I can see in this place. So people, please just look at it. Look at the energy from here. Just look at the energy from this very circle. You get it? Should you take this very circle and beat it up like this, and you take this very circle and you beat it up in this very direction, you will understand that it's a mathematical X. You get it? So should you look at it, I call it mathematical X. So should you look at it like that, you know that this market is a downtrend. You get it? So the market is shooting down at the moment. The market is shooting down, which is very, very better. So from what I can see here, the market is definitely going to a downtrend direction. Please, people, sorry, I don't know what's going on with my system right now. It's not really responding the way I wanted. And here we go today. Oh, Jesus. Okay, let's start analyzing it like this. You get it? Should you look at the market, because there are many ways to like calculate the market as we speak right now. But here is my major point. This market is a downtrending market at the moment. You get it? It's a downtrending market at the moment. So should you want to trade, I'm 100% positive that this market is a downtrending market. So if you feel like trading it, it's on your, should you just do your own analysis and try to trade the market. If you wish, this is New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar. So should you wish, you can just try to trade it. That is, should you wish. If your own analysis to analyze that you should go down with the trend, 100% you're okay, but should your own analysis told you that you should go to the top, you get it? So it's okay as well, it's okay as well. So I don't know what's going on. Okay, yeah, it's getting better now. Jesus, what is system hanging? Sorry, people. Oh, Jesus Christ. Sorry, people. Please just. So, people, as we are saying, the market is trying to diversify here. Should you look at the strength of the market, you see that Canadian dollar. See, the Canadian dollar is really trying to do something very, very much strong here in this point. Canadian dollar is trying to prove itself, which is a very, very good thing. That is against New Zealand dollar. You get it? So here is what I will think we should do. You get it? Just do your own personal analysis and please tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you see in this market, because it forms an uphill, a downhill, and all that. It forms many things that shows here. There are retracements in this market. There are many retracements on it, and those retracements really prove a lot of things. You get it? So from what I can see here, the market is forming a momentum down, and if it closes at this very point tonight, it's still going down. The next candle that will open will try to push it up a little bit, but believe me when I say it, it is a downtrending market. You get it? The stability of Canadian dollar is not strong enough yet. So should it be strong, like 75% now, you see it start beating New Zealand dollar very fast. But from what I can see here, it's a 60-40 thing. You get it? It's a 60-40 thing. So Canadian dollar, sometimes it does its thing. It might be a little bit slow and all that, but from what I can see here, just like I said, this market is a downtrending market. So just take a look at it and tell me what you think. And ups, down. Just take a look at the market and let me know what you think. Please, I'll definitely appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe on my channel, click the notification button. You get it? So let's just calculate again from here. From this very center. If you look at this place, it forms a pin bar. Forms a pin bar within a strong, a strong bullish candle and a strong bearish candle. A pin bar is at the middle. What this means is that the market is going down. You get it? But from here, from this big circle, this confirms everything, that the market went down, which it does go down. But what is here right now is that this downtrending is a little bit slow, and don't don't be deceived. I won't be surprised. I will not be surprised if the market that will open tonight by New Zealand, the next candle that will open tonight by New Zealand dollar, if it's going to go up a little bit and then it will reverse. No matter the kind of shadow it will form, this market that is opening for New Zealand tonight, it's still going to be a downtrend. It might push it up a little bit, but believe me when I say, bro, it's still a downtrending market. You get it? So please, people, just take a look at it. Take a look at it. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you see in your own technical analysis. Let me know what you think. You get it? Because what really confirms the downtrend is within here and here, here and here. Because this place, it confirms a power struggle. You get it? It confirms a power struggle. New Zealand was strong. Let me check. Which day is this? Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Friday. So this was last week Friday. You get it? The market fought a battle and did have a tie. No candle goes up, no candle comes down. Nothing like shadow. You get it? Nothing else like shadow. It did not bring out anything like shadow. It just got, it just have a tie. Like both of them tied up and they balanced up. They are equilibrium. You get it? So this really confirms that the New Zealand dollar has its strength, Canadian dollar too has its strength. The second day, New Zealand dollar, the fourth day, which is Monday, New Zealand dollar was able, to push the market a little bit up, which was Monday. On Tuesday, it pushed it up, and because of the strength of the market and some other analysis, it proves, on Wednesday it opens and it's closed at this very point. That was yesterday evening. On midnight, New Zealand dollar opens another candle. You get it? So I believe, I don't know the time in New Zealand right now, but I believe in less than 3-4 hours, in less than 5 hours, I believe another candle will open that is for New Zealand dollar. And I don't know the time in New Zealand right now, but please, just 1 minute, let me ask what's the time in New Zealand. Hey Google, what's the time in New Zealand right now?
The time in Wellington, New Zealand is 10:21 a.m. on Friday.
Wow, it's 10:41 a.m. on Friday already. So it means the market is open. I believe this means this candle is a new candle. You get it? This means this candle is a new candle. Now you can see Canadian dollar forcing its trend. So it means New Zealand is already in the market. I'm sorry, I made some wrong calculation. So this means that this candle opened on Monday. So this is what it means. It means this candle, according to the New Zealand market, this candle opened on Monday. It was on Friday. This one opened on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So this is for the Friday. And here in North America, this market confirms that today is Thursday, but Friday New Zealand dollar is trying to move and Canadian dollar is gaining strength. So people, what this means, what this confirms is that the market is a downtrend. You get it? It has been confirmed. You get it? As it is like this, it's a downtrending market. Canadian dollar is gaining its momentum slowly, which is going to be better, which I'm looking at everything and it's going to be better, just like I said. So people, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate everyone, listening to me, watching my video. God bless you all. God bless us all. Please, people, I would really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button till I come your way again in my next analysis. I really appreciate everyone. So people, trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy, and have a good one. Thanks very much. See you in my next video. Bye.